Hello, sir. This
Hello.
is Neha from V3 Cars.
Hello,
We
Neha.
are
Good evening.
here at the Tata setup to actually figure out the best of technology that Tata has come up, not
Yeah.
only in passenger segment but also in commercial. So, can you just take us through the the innovations that Tata products has brought into the market for the end consumer?
So yesterday we unveiled our a last mile mobility solution on our small commercial vehicle. We
Correct.
also unveiled a longest range LNG truck on our Prima range of vehicle.
Correct.
We also showcasing our H2 ICE on our large truck and a 12-tonner EV vehicle platform, a next generation buses which are there, and
Correct.
also a whole set of new ADAS feature which we are offering on our entire range of vehicle. In addition to that, what we are also demonstrating our a range of vehicle now entering into deep mining tippers. So we are also
Right.
yesterday launched a world's first 8.5 liter automated transmission deep mining truck also here.
Oh, that's really great to hear. Can you little bit focus on ADAS?
Yeah.
That how is ADAS contributing to the commercial segment that Tata is bringing into the market?
At a Tata Motors, the safety is of paramount importance, and it is a very comprehensive safety. So it is a safety for our a driver, a safety for a co-driver, safety for a passenger, safety for the cargo. So along with the say passive safety, we also focus a lot on active safety,
Correct.
and we have been working for a last couple of years on developing a ADAS solution for India. And very proudly, I'm mentioning that our entire heavy commercial range is now ADAS level 2 compliant. So
Okay.
almost more than say 25 features which are there as far as the level 2 ADAS is concerned are sitting on our heavy commercial range of vehicle. We are also demonstrating our ADAS technology on our buses, and today we have also kept one of the say ADAS simulator. So we want to promote a
Right.
safety for Indian customers in a big way.
Yesterday in the launch, we heard a lot about sustainability, environment friendly, which and another adding to efficiency of the vehicles.
Yes.
So, how is the technology that your commercial vehicles have actually adds to net zero?
So aligning to our group level sustainability target, Tata Motor commercial vehicle has taken that we will be reaching a net zero journey by 2045. A net zero journey, there are three main pillars. One is about the decarbonization, second the circularity, and the third is biodiversity. When you see about the decarbonization or the net zero journey on our vehicle, which is a scope 3 emission onto that, we have been focusing a lot as far as the various fuels are concerned. And a net zero journey we will achieve through the electrification of our entire range of vehicles, through the hydrogen ICE technology, or also through
Right.
our fuel cell technology. This journey is also through our transition fuels. So you
Okay.
will also see that energy efficiency we are improving, the fuel efficiency which are currently offered. We are working a lot as far as the improvement of fuel efficiency is concerned. With that, we are able to reduce the CO2. This journey to net zero is also through the transition fuel. So that means we will be having our play into the CNG, our play into LNG, our play into biodiesel, our play into our ethanol blending. All those transition fuel also will be there, so that a CO2 reduction will also happen, and we will reach to a net zero journey about that. And in addition to that, the circularity, which is also a very important part of our sustainability journey, is working on a circular material, working on a say reducing the CO2 which will get emitted during the vehicle production and everything. So that is the journey which we are on.
Sir, can you also share some limelight on the contribution that Tata buses are actually giving on the intercity travel for passengers, the
Okay.
safety and everything?
We are displaying a distinct buses. So this is, if you see the Magna coach, which is the intercity, a sleeper coach application, where we are actually offering air suspension and also coming with a say, powerful 6.7 liter engine with a automated manual transmission. Again, that bus also comes with a ADAS features, the level 2 ADAS feature which you are demonstrating here. This vehicle platform which you are seeing is again our journey as far as the intercity buses are concerned. And this is a completely new ground up space frame construction, which is our next generation modular architecture as far as the EV buses are concerned. And this is coming with very plush interiors, again coming with a high level of say safety features around it. And a range anxiety is taken care through a very good R&D work on energy efficiency, working on a say next level of regeneration strategies. This is what we are working on to this platform. And the third one, which is our architecture on the 9-meter buses. And this 9-meter buses platform is actually compliant to our PM e-drive Seva. It's called as PM e-bus Seva, which is
Okay.
again coming with a next generation of say interior, next generation of styling, and
Right.
also coming with all again safety features compliant to a PM e-bus Seva.
Okay. So can you also share some insights on the safety that features that have been add-ons onto the product?
Along with the say vehicular safety, which I mentioned about the ADAS part of that, we also are actually put a lot of effort as far as the high voltage safety is concerned. So our whether it's about the battery technologies, whether the battery cooling, or if there is a in case of say crash, the HV architecture gets completely disconnected. So that means there is no less chances of say fire which is getting propagated. In addition to that, there is a ABS, EBS technology which you are offering, and then ADAS features are anyway there.
Okay, so sir, next I also wanted to understand something on the ADAS. I think there's a simulator that is
Yes.
being projected in the setup. Can you
Yes.
just take us through that
Yes,
also?
yes, yeah. So as far as the ADAS simulator is concerned, so as I mentioned, we really want to promote a safety in our vehicle, and actually we want to make the awareness to all customers that ADAS is the future
Right.
as far as their own safeties are concerned. So
Right.
what we created is a simulator. So that means along with the vehicle, if they want to buy a vehicle, we have created a simulator so that you can actually take a feel of all 25 safety features which are offering. Whether it is typically an active safety or a warning feature which is typically called as lane departure warning, or a forward collision warning which are there, or blind spot detections are there, or with the moving mass estimation which is there. All those features are which are. In addition to that, which are active safety, which is like a AEBS, advanced emergency brakings are concerned, or adaptive cruise control, or automatic headlamp beam adjustment. All those features we are giving. We also want to see that a driver get continuous alert. That means
Right.
that it's called as a driver monitoring system. So that whether it is like if his distraction levels are going high, then he will get an alert. If he's not wearing a safety belt, which is for his own safety, if he's distracted because of the use of mobile during the say driving, or some of the say hazardous vehicle, if he is actually smoking inside the vehicle,
Right.
all those alerts are actually being given as a driver monitoring system. These are all inbuilt in our all vehicles. So this is what we are demonstrating and creating awareness that safety is of paramount importance, not only for Tata Motors but also for the nation.
The simulator is actually there. This is for the public to come and experience it among all the 25 safety features. For more information on Tata Commercial number of products, feel free to follow V3 Cars.